And we are live. Live, 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 live. Okay, so what the fuck is going on, guys? Like, yep, I'm gonna start like that. We see that Bitcoin is boom had a big pump. Uh, how many hours ago? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hours ago. Damn, went up. How many? Much? What's the percentage? Let's see. So the price range it broke here. Damn. Okay. Before I go there, I just want to discuss where we at before, and if I replay back that, guys, because now Bitcoin is being traded by a lot of people, so people are going to be looking at the pivot points, right? These are the points that we're going to be looking at. So we have the 26.9 and the 26.3. At that point on time, which was this weekend, it looked very weak because we had a bearish divergence here, right? Between this high and this high. And if I open the MACD one more time, let's see what's going on. Bearish divergence 2, okay. And you keep going, you keep going. It looks super bearish here at that point. But did it break that support line? Nope. It actually went from here and it looks like it's gonna go along back up again. If I pull, no, that okay, did it break? No, it couldn't. When you see these two little candles here, what does it mean if you want to try to explain the markets? That pivot point, when you have a lot of people try to break on the hourly, and if I put the 4 hourly, even gonna show a little more, right? Is that the 4 hourly? No, yeah, it went okay. It's showing you the top. The 4 hourly, if I go back, no, let me get back to the 1 hour. It's gonna be a little more, gonna make a little more sense, or even the 15 minute, or the 30 minute, or whatever. This candle, this wick at that support line, that means it will go up. Okay. So this happened in the AM. I was actually asleep. I wasn't there. If I saw this, I would be like, okay, you know what? We're definitely gonna go there. And I have a losing trade. I'm not gonna lie. And I want to show you now a lesson. How can you turn a losing trade into a winning trade? Okay. Shout out to my hoodie, guys. It's a really cool hoodie. Okay. So yeah, this is really interesting. That means a lot of people try to sell all the way down, but the selling pressure wasn't strong enough, and they're just not gonna be able to put more power. It means we're probably gonna see a big uh exactly, that's what I'm looking for. So I was asleep when this happened, and this is just another lesson. You should just be, you're not gonna be sticking to the chart all the time. That's why people should be trading for long-term goals, not for short-term. But this is very interesting. You see this, you should just jump. You should just jump on the trade, even with, I'm not gonna say even high leverage, just with decent leverage, because this looks good. And the next point will be here, right? Around this area. I would definitely put a trade here. Like just click in the fake buy and wait for the take profit to be here, right? Can I put the take profit? Yeah, I don't take profit. It's close position, blah blah blah. Yeah. Whatever. I'll be waiting for heat 26.9 because it's so close. See the wicks? It can go all the way up, but I'm gonna be a little afraid. I'm gonna take my profit here. And if you keep going, probably just gonna keep going. Yeah, I'm not gonna be worried of that because we're in the middle between these two pivot points, right? And it's still very big, so probably gonna go up. And it did go up, right? Boom, all the way up. So too bad I wasn't there and I couldn't catch that one, right? It's a really good trade. It's just like by the book. It's just a trend. And if I wanna, yeah, once you go here, now you have this resistance. Now the same test we had here, we should have it here, right? Yeah, same test we have it here, we should have it also here, right? I want to see if there's any person on the YouTube. Guys, if you're in the YouTube stream, just say I'm from the YouTube stream on the YouTube channel. Is it shown actually? Yeah, there's one watching. Who's? let's see. Okay, I'm gonna be reading the comments from the YouTube chat or from here from TradingView, whatever. Both. It is cool. Okay. Right. So yeah, that's a really good. If I keep going in time, boom, it broke that resistance. You come here, it broke. You need to get buy-in, and you're gonna wait for the next one. So that was a really great trade, right? So I would even buy. This happened a little too fast because I'm going a little fast. So I would expect it to come around here, right? Which is that area. 27.3, 27.2, something like that. And it did go and it crossed that one. Okay, what's the next stop after this? Because it's a little crazy. The next stop will be this one, 27.6 or 27.9. But did it close at the top? Let's see. Let's see. Because if I'm taking a trade, I would have taken a trade here, right? After this one. Take my profit here. Then I saw another one. Take enter here. Then take my profit here, just like 10% below the pivot point. So I could have had two winning trades here. Then I'm gonna stop, take my profit here, and wait to see the action price above that pivot point. Okay, now it looks like it got rejected here, right? So this might be a consolidation, or it can go down. Let's see what's gonna happen. It's actually going down, but it's not going down with a strong momentum. So it might be a consolidation before it continues. Okay, so this is where we at now, guys. If I want to go down on smaller time frames, right? And we talked about the Elliott waves, and I want to remind you, I drew a long-term Elliott wave. Let me just take this out. Hide the pivot points for now. I did talk about the Elliott wave long-term plan I'm looking for. We were on the first one, now at the second consolidation. I was expecting to go all the way down to 23.5, 23.4. I'm getting hot from this thing. So we're not going down to 23.5. It seems so, but that's fine. That means we probably now started the third wave. Actually, I don't know. It seemed like this is the case. And that means I'm going to have to change my positions here. I'm going to show you in a minute what I'm going to do. It's live trading, right? So, yeah, simply seemed like we're definitely going to go in the third wave, which is great. I'm not going to say anything about it. I was thinking that it will wait till ETF. It seemed like we're just going to pick up before the ETF. And the third wave going to be actually very fast, guys. It's going to be almost faster than the first wave. And if I pull my Fibonacci again, it seemed like we're aligning on the, like I was expecting to go down to the 50%. It seemed that we stopped at what percentage is that? It would have made a little more sense if it stopped here at the 20 at the 0.618. It didn't. Now I think it's this. If this 0.6 is between both of them, it's gonna be 0.5556. Yeah, it's still valid. It's not as valid as this one. You know what I'm saying? But it's still valid. We got like 50%, 55% instead of 50%. So it's still valid. I don't have a very strong confirmation, but it still looks valid to me. Yeah, I'm seeing a lot of people in the space saying Bitcoin will go here and then go all the way down. I really don't believe that at all. It's just not. I just don't see it happening because that's not gonna make a lot of sense. Okay. Because you can see this is very easy to identify 1 2 3 4 5 and another 5 between these two. It's just super easy to identify, guys. It's not that complicated, and this can be the very small correction that happened, even though I was expecting the correction to be a little bigger. And that's the only thing I wasn't sure of and I didn't like, you know what I'm saying? But it is what it is. There's a bearish divergence happening here between this one and this one, these two lows. On the correction, you have a lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low, and starting from here, we're getting on the divergence higher lows on the oscillator. So that's the divergence, right? And this is where you're gonna be like, okay, it is. Damn. Yeah, maybe that's it. Okay, back to my trade. But before I go back to my trade, I want to go to small time frames to understand exactly what should I do. What should I do now? Because I actually sold here around that area, thinking that it's gonna go down, then down, right? And it started going against me, which is at this point I was still confident I shouldn't get out of the trade because it looked bearish. And I showed you before earlier in the stream. You can get back on YouTube to watch the whole stream if you're just tuning in now, right? Uh, it just didn't. It is what it is. You're never gonna be right all the time. You're gonna be wrong, and you need to fix it. How can we fix it now? Number one, we need to understand where we at. We need to look at it like from a new point of view. Okay. Uh, let's take a look at the news and see if there's anything happened today I wasn't aware of. Bitcoin cycles, just movers, Americans, Fintech, Bitcoin top 24 to week death, ETH playing waiting game. Here's how. Maybe that won't be interesting. I lead the currency. Bitcoin continues to trade between 26, 27K, and Ethereum is at 1.6K, 1.6, blah, blah, blah. I'm not seeing anything interesting here, so. No. Okay, not super interesting. So it seemed like it's the driver is just. Let's see if there's anything. The weakest shipping on the month September. There are major developments. Put some rates. Let's dive. Oh, the inflation and the interest rates. I think I've seen something with the interest rates happening today. Is that it? Let's see other markets. Before I do that, I want to see the DXY. Nothing crazy. SPX, the SP 500. Nothing crazy. Okay, interesting. It's only Bitcoin. Amazon. Did something happen with the European stuff? Because it's just like okay. So just crypto, right? Dogecoin didn't even move. Ethereum moved a little bit. Yeah, Ethereum moved with Bitcoin. Okay. We want to look at 12 a.m. Something happened at 12 a.m. So Bitcoin up, Ethereum went a lot up. Dogecoin 12 a.m. went up. Okay, there's a lot, but Dogecoin wasn't as bad. No, actually, Dogecoin is moving with them. Okay, so it's like crypto. It's the Cardano did move up. So the whole crypto market is going up. Interesting, guys. Interesting. Uh, okay. So the whole market is going up with the crypto market is going up. Yeah, interesting. That's cool. Guys, by the way, if you're watching me in TradingView, follow me in TradingView. If you're watching me on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel to get more content like that. Don't forget that, guys. It's really cool, right? That we can all talk together about these things. If you have a question, just give me a question. I'm gonna be super happy to answer. So it seemed to me, let me get back. If SP500 didn't move at all, yeah, nothing happened. Okay, so it is actually only happening for the crypto market for whatever reason, which is, of course, Bitcoin is going to be a driver. Like the first time move happened 2 a.m. The first move happened also 3 a.m. See, there's a little bit of discrepancy, or no, 1 a.m. No, 2 a.m. also. Something happened at the same time. I don't know what the fuck happened, but 2 a.m. just a lot of people went into. What the fuck happened here? Like there was news or something? The DXY. Okay. Some fucking shit happened at 2 a.m. I wonder what the hell happened. If you guys know, just let me know. I really am curious to know what happened at 2 a.m. EST, which is, if I take down 4 hours, that's like 6 a.m. UTC, London time, right? I know what happened that time. It's just a little crazy. What happened this morning? What's going on today? Let's see. The Bitcoin price steady erosion momentum from the previous day. Today's price 27K level price. Why is Bitcoin up prices? They want me to capture and the rapid increase in open interest. Okay, yeah. I want to get back to the interest rates. So, what happened? Interest rate. No, I think I've seen some chart which is the government yield of 2 years, right? Government bonds. Was this 2 a.m.? 8 p.m. Went all the way up, then all the way down, just a little crazy, which just doesn't make any sense. Damn, yeah, that's the top. Yeah, crazy the top. The top at 5.5 down to back It just looks disgusting. And it happened at 2 a.m. Interesting. So maybe that's the driver, guys. So the bonds, I don't know what's behind it, but there's not so many news, but something on and that see that happened 2 a.m. So that's the driver, the government bonds, interest rates. Uh what about the other one? The US. What about the 5 year? No, they all did the same shit. Okay, so the government bonds, which interest rates in the USA did something and it affected only the crypto market? Or because the other markets didn't open yet? Okay. Monday, September 23rd. Sorry, September 23, Monday, 18th of September, 3 p.m. Yeah, that's UTC. I want to change this to. Okay. Interesting. Right. So nothing happened in the SPX because the 2 a.m. here. Where's the 2 a.m.? Yeah, they didn't have the 2 a.m. here. It wasn't open. It just opened here. It didn't do much to the SPX. It happened in the night. Okay. I want to switch this to ETH because it's a little confusing now. Yeah, that makes a lot more sense. So it happened at the PM of my time, yeah. 2 a.m. globally. So probably it happened in Asia and people in Australia and Asia did it. People from Australia and Asia did it. Okay, guys. So he did something here, probably from the interest rates. Okay. That makes me think that might actually go down again because it's like, I don't know, it's not going to stay forever. Anyhow, we're here. Let's go smaller. See if there's actually some fractals because that's what I'm looking for. If there's a fractal of waves, then maybe we're gonna see some interesting things. Let's see together. Does this look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 A, B, C? I don't know. I'm saying a question because it looks like it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's easy to identify. You can see it in the 15-minute here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C. You can see here the fractures are a little weird, but you can definitely see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, I think you can see it too. What about the 1 hourly? I hope you can see something. The 1 hourly, you can see if you want to count from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the one we count in 15 minutes. Let's see if I can count here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's count here. Okay, 1, 2, which are very long. 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's bring our Fibonacci to confirm. It looks legit. Okay. Damn. So we're waiting for the 4 before we go on the 5. That means we're still having a more up momentum, guys. Interesting. If that's the case, then I'm waiting for a support to go above the 1. If it goes below the 1, then it's not edit-wise. If it only stops, so that's what I'm going to be thinking about. First of all, we see that a rejection happened at that support. If I get back to the 15-minute again, it's a little easy. Or maybe a 30-minute. I want to see which one it stopped at. Yeah, 30-minute, 1 hour. We couldn't really break that. We got back again, but we didn't go all the way down. So if I see this going down, but above that high, which is 26.9. So if it makes a little top small here above 26.9, then I'm going to be confident to go on a long trade all the way up above 30, which is the next stop will be here, 27.9. So I'm going to be having a nice trade from here all the way up. That's like 3%. That's not bad, right? And I have here 3.3%, 3 leverage, okay, 3x leverage. So the 10% will be, sorry, the 3% will be 10%. So if I go long and it goes correctly, right? That means I have to put the same amount of money. And then I think I have enough in my balance. I'm having a very short balance just to show you what I'm going to do, how long I can stay with. So it will be good. It will be good, right? And if I can even stop it here, like stop my short trade here also, from here to here, multiply by 3, that's 3%. So the 22 will be 19. Then I'm going to be adding 10. So I'm going to be at minus 9. That's not bad, right? If I'm very confident, I can even go with higher leverage, which is a little crazy. But if I want to turn this loss into a win, I need to think like that. It's a little gambling at that point because leverage is gambling. You have to admit it. Don't lie to yourself, right? You're just gambling. But it's not pure gambling because you're still thinking about stuff here. So this took a while. That might take a day. So my next steps will be I'm waiting to see this is going down actually, because if it goes up, then my whole plan is wrong. It goes down. Nice. Beautiful. I know I'm gonna stop around that point. It actually stops around that point. Then I'm gonna be ready. If it goes a little up, I'm closing that short 100%. Because hey, there's still a chance that all of this was just fake and it's gonna go all the way back down again. I'm not really sure. I want to know how can I turn this into a win. So that's the scenario number one. Yeah. That's scenario number one. Scenario number two is it's actually going to keep going up and it's going to break now. Let me take that so you can understand what's going on. But it's not going to make so much sense because we count to 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe that's it. I missed that. 1, 2, 3, 4. A little bit of 5 here. Damn. But if you get a little bit of 5 here, okay, so you might get this small fractal because that's what happens, right? The moving fractals like that. You have your support here. That makes sense. You might get that one. Okay. So that might take longer for that plan to work. You might get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Interesting. Okay, I don't like scalping here. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It looks like it's actually going up. I want to see on the smaller ones. I might do some scalping now. Let me know, guys. Do you want me to do some scalping? Just let me know. I can just do it. Let's see what's going to happen. But I'm not seeing a lot of lines here. But it looks like it, for fuck's sake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because 3, 4, 5 here. I was counting. This is 3, 4, 5. Or maybe that's it. I don't want to get smaller than that. But it doesn't look very powerful as the other one. So A, B, C. And that's what we're looking for, the C. No, I'm going to wait because I'm not really sure what's going on. So it can be like that or that. Let me just pull the Fibonacci and see. Maybe that 3 is too fucking big. So that's the one. Yeah, 2.68 is big for a 3. And no, let me just delete that because now it's annoying me. And I'm gonna look at another thing just to confirm what's going on. You know what you guys think? I have 4 people watching now. It's not too bad. Okay, 1 started here, 2 again. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see how valid this is. This is the scenario number 1 if I'm in the counting. 1. That means the 5 here. Okay, is there divergence between this and this or no? Let's see in the MACD. Because that probably gonna confirm it for me. I didn't even see a divergence. Didn't form yet. Shit. How about the stochastic? Once I need to go smaller in time frame. 5 minutes. There is a divergence. So this is the 5th wave. Okay. 5 minute proves it. So in the 5 minute, I can see the 5 wave. Elliott waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's an ABC, guys. So it's going down. I'm pretty confident now. I can even put some scalping on this one. It does look weak. I can put some scalping here and get how much? How percentage is that? Might not be good with the slippage and everything. That's 1%. Yeah, I can get the 1% here. Actually, I can short some. By the way, if you want to trade through GMX, use that. I have a link. You have to use it. You get percentage, and I get percentage. Both of us win. You gotta use it, guys. It's cool. It's actually pretty fucking cool. And follow me on YouTube too. Follow me on YouTube, guys. You need to follow me on YouTube, okay? Where's the link? I had it here. Yeah, it's this one. So, yeah, go through that one. You get percentage, I get percentage. And by the way, it's cool because there's no KYC. It's all fucking with nobody knowing anything about you. Do you understand? Nobody knows shit about you. You want to be like that. You want to be hidden like that. Nobody knows shit about you. You're good. You're in good shape. You know what I'm saying? So it does feel like it's a short, guys. I'm showing you here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C. Should I do it? Should I not? Let me see the pivots. You can go all the way up to that 27. That's like $300. That's not that much. Let me see if it's a good trade. No, let me just put 0.1 ETA, which is not that much. It's not going to be a lot, to be honest. I'm going to put a lot of leverage. Let's just put 5 is not that much, but it does look good to me. I don't know. I feel good about it. You know what? I'm putting 10 leverage. It is, even if I lose all of them, I'm okay. When is the liquidation from? What is the acceptable price? Liquid price. 33.4. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I think we're good here. 9.9. Yeah, let just put it at 10. What is the liquidation price? 32. Yeah, whatever. We're just doing that trade quickly. So if I even go, I don't want to go 3 minute, but it is what it is. Yeah. So at the 5 minute, this is very short scalping, right? Let's open the trade. Fuck it, man. Fees and amount $3, leverage 4.2, blah blah blah. Short price, entry price, shorted 0.1. Okay. Confirm. Increasing the short, blah blah. Okay, so we open that short. Oh, you just increased the one I have, which is fine. And we need just to stop. Let's see what's gonna happen. So remember, we open the short here, and we're gonna see what's happening. I'm expecting it to go a little down. So that's for the short term. For the long term, we get it down. We prove we're in the right direction, right? And we are actually, right? Let's me get back to the 1 hour, the one I want to be tuning at. That looks to me like, yeah, we had the 1, had the 2, we had the 3. Now we're waiting for the 4. The 4 should come down to 26. Come to 26. Then we're going to be talking a bigger one. Fix that problem we had, right? Because we have a problem. We had a problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Yeah, I easily can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This section is the only one I'm not sure of. Do we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C? Why not? Why not, actually? You can say 1, 2. It's a little disgusting, but it works. Still 4, 5. This is easy too. So maybe that's it, guys. That's it. We are on the fucking wave. So I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 on all of them. That's insane. Um, yeah, and each one of them should have its own 5 elite waves, right? And this one has finished. This is the one I was trading at. I'm trading a retracement of it, right? I made my thing here. I'm waiting for it to go down to that level. I know I have it too long. It can be like that fast. It doesn't have to be that slow. Or it might be that slow. But yeah, waiting to come down here, right? So come down here. Then we're going to talk about how to fix that problem, right? How to fix that fucking problem because we want to turn this red into green. So you need to think because I'm probably going to stop that big short I had here, then open a massive long back there, like a freakishly massive long to fix that big problem. Okay, I think that's it for the stream. I've talked a lot. I've mentioned a lot of things. I'm seeing a lot of 3 people followed me, which is cool. Thank you guys for following me in TradingView. How about YouTube? Are you following me on YouTube or no? I'm posting more videos. If you want to see more videos on YouTube, which is gonna be I got a new follower on YouTube too. That's cool. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for watching. And if you didn't catch the live stream, you can just check in the YouTube link. It's there. Okay. Talk to you later. Bye bye.